Alright guys, I want to show you how you can do some texture painting. I have to have my mesh or primitive selected while I'm in object mode, and then I'm going to click down here and I'm going to go to texture paint. So you need to add a simple UV to the cube, which is kind of like, this is kind of hard to explain, but it's like kind of like splitting it into different sections. Um, so like it was laying flat. Like when we did your dice for the board games, that would be a UV, like unwrapped, like flat. So it kind of needs that to be able to figure out how to paint. So it's weird. That's just how it does it. I add the UV, I add a paint slot, and I'm going to pick color diffuse. And normally default is black. I double click here. I'm going to go ahead and actually up. I want to get rid of that shade and get rid, and then I can slide around here, figure out what color I want. And the initial color, I believe that's the one that it's gonna pick as the overall default. If you want to increase the size of this, you need to do it by 2s. So it has to be something that's divisible by 2. Otherwise, so if I want to increase it to maybe like 2000, and this is 2000, okay. I could give it a name too if I wanted to, and I could click in here and give it a name. I'm just going to hit OK. Then I can go ahead and I can start literally painting right on top of my rectangular prism. And if I want to change the colors, I can go right here. I'm going to change it, and then it just changes colors. So this is a way to paint in 3D. So I'm just going to go around here, and I'm going to just start painting. I could go underneath. It's a lot of fun. Okay, anyways, that's how you do texture painting.